Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your sketch as line art. First, let's prepare your physical sketch. Start with a clear pencil drawing on smooth paper, like Bristol board, which is excellent for fine lines. Use a light touch for your initial construction lines, then go over your final desired lines with a slightly darker pencil, perhaps a 2B or 4B, to make them stand out. This step is crucial for a clean digital transfer. Now let's enhance those lines. Take a fine point black pen, like a micron pen with a 0.2 or 0.3 millimeter tip, or a darker pencil, and carefully trace over your final sketch lines. Once those lines are dry or set, gently erase all the lighter pencil construction marks. You want only the strong, clear outlines remaining. This makes the next step much easier and yields a cleaner result. It's time to bring your sketch into the digital realm. Scan your drawing at a high resolution, ideally 300 dots per inch or higher, to capture all the detail. If you don't have a scanner, a well-lit photograph can work too. Open the image in your preferred art software. Use the levels or curves adjustment to increase contrast, making your lines darker and the paper background whiter. Then, carefully erase any stray marks or smudges. For the final step, let's isolate and refine your line art. Convert your image to pure black and white. If your lines appear white on black, simply invert the colors. Use a selection tool such as Select Color Range to select the white background and delete it, leaving only your black lines on a transparent layer. Finally, use a small, hard-edged brush to smooth out any jagged edges, ensuring your line art is perfectly crisp and ready for coloring or further use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.